Do you want to perkify your peach? And by that I mean turn your tush, get your booty in a way that you are just in love with it, so that it's firm, it sits high, and you are confident to strut it out in your tight jeans or on the beach. And you know what, guys? Aesthetics aside, having strong glutes is so important for posture, for back care, and for functional strength in your body, so that you're not putting strain or injury into things like knees and back, okay? So if you would like to learn the secrets to triggering, toning, tightening, and training for effective transformation, your tush, then you need to get along to my Perkify Your Peach workshop running on the 10th of February. It is literally a game changer, because unless you know this information, unless you know it in your body, so I'm going to show you, are you triggering correctly? Are you actually even firing your muscles in the right sequence? How to go about making sure you are. The exercises that you need to do to actually figure out how to fire and activate, and then how to sequentially layer upwards from there. Because all the squats and lunges in the world will not get you the butt you want unless you're doing these key elementary or foundational aspects first. Knowledge is power, guys. Let's get you a booty and a butt that you love. Register for the Perkify Your Peach workshop. I cannot wait to see you there. I'm so excited about what I get to share at this awesome workshop.